What's up, y'all? We are going on a road trip today. It is not too far away, but we're going down to the beach, and right now we are grabbing something small to eat, then we'll be off on the road. I'm pretty excited about it because I haven't been anywhere for a long time, and I haven't been to the beach in years. Well, maybe not, maybe just a long time, I don't know. We just made it to the hotel. I want to give you guys a quick room tour. So this is the view when you walk in. Then you have this entertainment space with a TV and couch. Next, over here you got the closet, which I probably won't be using, but it's nice to have. Then you have the bathroom over here with a double sink. This is my quick outfit of the day. If you watch my spring and summer haul, you'll find this blue top and the sandals in it. Then the shower. It's quite spacious. And then you got the toilet over here. On the other side of the room, you can see the boardwalk. Alright, y'all, we just took a walk on the boardwalk and walked in the sand and beach. So we just got back and then took some pictures, and I think now I'm going to get ready for dinner. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to wear. Rice?
It looks like straight from Little Mermaid. You want to boomerang with your food?
We are back at the hotel. I had a really good dinner and the place was a lot better than I expected. I mean, I didn't expect anything, but it was really good. So I'm glad that we went there. And yeah, we're back in the hotel room now. It's about, I think, 9:30. Usually I sleep already at this time, but since we're out, I feel like I can't sleep yet. I should stay up a little bit and maybe go down to the casino since they have that here and try out my luck. Hopefully, I'm going to put $10. Wish me luck. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. I might change my pants because my pants are too tight now. Alright, y'all, we are back home. We actually came home yesterday and I was so tired, so I slept the whole day. But about the casino, I did not win anything. I actually lost $6. And Kyle, he spent $50, but he actually doubled his money. So that was good. That was really fun to watch. Let me fix my bangs. I am rocking my bangs today. I like it when it's longer. Usually I don't wear it because it looks so messy, but today it's looking all right. So I might wear it before my hair gets too long and I'm not gonna wear bangs anymore. So yeah, let me know if it looks okay. Right now, I'm eating this little burrito chicken thing that we got from Costco. And then later we're going to go out, eat with our friends since it's his birthday. So yeah, I still have a lot to clean up at home. I feel like whenever you clean, it just ends up like a mess again. I put my hair up in a claw clip. It gives you really nice waves after you take it out. So if you ever don't really feel like doing anything with your hair, put it in a claw clip for like an hour and then it will really give you these soft, nice waves later. Maybe I'll show you later before I leave the house. This angle looks funny. Watch me eat in a good angle. Oh, we gotta talk about something. There's this show I've been watching, well, an anime. It's called Tokyo Revengers. There's only like 6 episodes out right now, and it's kind of like erased. If you watch that, it's kind of like time leaping and he's trying to save his girlfriend, but it's different. I read the manga because I couldn't wait for the anime, and whew, it was a really good story. I was very touched by a lot of moments. It's about him and, you know, all his friends, his girlfriend, of course, who he's trying to save. Man, it's, oof. You gotta go watch it because someone asked me to describe it and I cannot describe it. I would basically tell you the whole thing, so please don't ask me. Please go look at the overview and watch it on Crunchyroll or something, because there's only 6 episodes and it's just really good. Oh man, I think that has to be like one of my favorite ever. But I'm just gonna go ahead and eat this and then we'll see where our day heads from there. Alright y'all, it's been 30 minutes. I'm gonna take out this claw clip and show you what the hair looks like. You just gotta brush your hands through it like this, and then you can kind of see that it has those soft waves. They'll loosen up throughout the day and it'll look even better. I'm about to leave the house now. Maybe I should wear my hair up like this. Okay, I don't know. We'll figure that out when we go outside. Before I leave the house, I also wanted to show you something that I bought at the outlet. So where we went, there's like this huge outlet that you can go and shop around. We went to this Vans store. I'm tying up the shoelaces because it's messy, but I want to show you what I bought from the outlet. It's these Vans. Isn't it cute? I really love like the sage green color, and I think it'll be a really nice addition into my closet. I don't know what I want to do with my hair yet. I'll leave it like this, and that's kind of cute, right? I'm going to leave the house now and hang out with my friends. I will see you guys when I come back. I have my juice here. I am going to be painting my nails today, and I'll probably show you guys how I do it. It's getting a little bit crusty. I paint my nails at home. I really like it. It took me a long time to figure out how to paint my right hand because I'm right-handed. So now I'm getting kind of decent at it, so it's pretty good. Let me drink my juice. No, we also have to have a snack with juice. Hold on. Here's my snack. I love goldfish, and Kyle buys them for me. So we're just going to take a quick minute to snack, get our minds straight for the day, and then we're going to start by painting our nails. Oh, I'm gonna sit on the floor. Okay. I have a bunch of stuff here. Remember how I told you that I would clean up the other day? That didn't happen. I usually go on Pinterest for ideas, so we'll probably look later. Let's remove these first. Go ahead and file. I usually try to go for an oval shape, and I just kind of go in there and do this. Because once you put the nail polish on, it's gonna all look the same anyway. So it doesn't have to be perfect. Got this done. Now we gotta go on this side. This side, I kind of do it like this so I can see it more. Okay, both nails are filed. Let's go on Pinterest and see what we can paint today. Okay, so I have an idea. I didn't find something that I liked on Pinterest, so I was thinking maybe we could do this color combo. And I have these nail art stickers that I can stick onto if I'm using this light purple one. So maybe we could do like majority this color and then 1 or 2 nails in this color with some flowers on it. That might be cool, right? Or we could go a little bit brighter. Same type of thing, but maybe with these colors. I'm going to do a test patch. This is dark gray, light lavender. It's very nude. It almost looked like my skin color. Let's try the other color combo. Whoa. I am kind of really loving this blue. Let's start. I'm going to use this color. It is from OPI and it is called Nessie Plays Hide and Seek. And then this one is also OPI and it is called Edinburgh and Tatis. Tatis, I don't know. Moving on, I am not going to try to pronounce that. So here's the plan. I am going to paint this one the pink color and then the rest blue. And then we are going to do either this sticker or this sticker on the pink one. I don't know if I mentioned it already, but I got these from Daiso and they're like $1 each. So I usually do 2 coats on all of my fingers, but I'm just gonna go through it once first and then kind of let it dry. Then we'll go through the second part. Ta-da! I'm gonna let that dry a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and put the pink one on. See, this color combo is kind of cute, right? I feel like once we put a little bit of nail art on it, that will look really cute. Ta-da! Let's go ahead and do our other hand. Well, let me go ahead and do my other hand. Lately, I've been playing Beat Saber though, so I feel like my left hand is kind of getting a little bit more coordination. I know how to control it better, or maybe that's not how it works. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's a little bit messy, but here's the trick. You can just do it however messy, and then when you go shower, you kind of just pick at it and it literally comes right off. So you don't have to waste your time and make it perfect. Now we are going to come back with the second coat. Okay, here's the hardest part for me, not to mess anything up while it's drying. I've had so many times when like it looks good and it's ready to go, and then it'll be drying and then I'll accidentally like touch my hand and literally ruin the whole thing. So we're going to be super careful. My camera died earlier, so I didn't get to show you the finishing touch. I couldn't do the other sticker because they were so small and they kept ripping apart when I tried to take them out of the white thing and put them on my finger. So I decided to go with florals instead. You can see that some of the paint is still here. It's not very clean yet, so when I shower tonight, I'm just going to like basically kind of scrape it like this when I'm in the shower, and the water will get them right off, and tomorrow they should look clean. Anyway, I think I am going to spend the rest of the day trying to clean up the apartment. Please wish me luck. I will see you guys next time. Thank you for hanging.